So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing this problem in your Diablo 4, unable to find a valid license for Diablo 4 code 315306, I'm showing this video why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. The problem is when you open your Diablo 4 and trying to login is queen for some minutes. After queen, the facing this error, unable to find a valid license for Diablo 4 code 315306, and you have to know about Diablo 4 servers is down today. Yes guys, you are not only one, many people facing this problem in Diablo 4 today. You can watch this red line. The red line is that the up and down, up and down. That means many people facing the problems in Diablo 4 game today. So guys, what you have to do for fix this problem. So guys, you don't have to do anything because the Diablo 4 team working on fixing the servers of Diablo 4 game. Yes guys, the problem and the error you facing in Diablo 4 game, this error is automatically fixed by Diablo 4 game team because it is working on fixing the servers. So guys, you have to wait for some minute or an hour, and if you guys having any other problem, you can comment me. Do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. Thanks for watching.